This is my fifth report on my subject Calculus 2. We will be discussed about on the derivative by its definition. So let's start. Derivative in mathematics is the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. So derivative is denoted by dy over dx. That is the derivative of y in terms of x. So if dx is our notation for derivative, and that is equal to the, we have here the formula to define our derivative, this one. So dy over dx is equal to the limit of f quantity of x plus in terms of x minus f of x over in terms of x as in terms of x approaches to 0. So we can let our in terms of x to equal to h. So we can come up with this formula again. So dy dx is equals to limit of f quantity of x plus h equals to f of x over h as h approaches to x to 0. So this is the fundamental to the solution of a problem in calculus and differential equation. So let's have an example. So find the derivative of y equals to x squared plus 4x plus 5. So this is a function form. So we need to find the derivative of that function of that equation. So let's distribute the terms. So we have the dy over dx is equals to limit of quantity of x. So let us distribute the terms of our h. So dy dx equals to limits of quantity of x plus h squared plus 4 times to our x plus h plus 5 minus the quantity of x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal over to our h as h approaches to 0. So let's distribute the terms. So we can come up with this answer, this one. The limits of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 4x plus 4h plus 5 minus x squared minus 4x minus 5 over h as h approaches to 0. Then let's combine like term, no? So limits of 2xh plus x squared plus 4h over h as h approaches to 0. Then the next thing that we need to do to find our derivative is to factor out the h. So we can come up with this answer. So limits of h or h quantity of 2x plus h plus 4 over h as h approaches to 0, and then crush out our x here, and then so we can come up our h here is equality of 1, so we can crush it out. So we can come up with the answer of 2x plus 4. So this is the derivative of the problem that we need to solve, which is the y is equal to 2 squared plus 4x plus 5. I hope you have learned on how to find the derivative of its limits. Thank you, and see you on my next video.